Attention Amazon sellers. Tired of overpriced management services that promise the world but deliver only headaches with overpriced service fees? And even possibly get your seller account suspended in the process? Well, say goodbye to this stress and welcome to a new era of e-commerce success. Introducing Mari Marketing, where success meets strategy. Meet Francis, your e-commerce expert, ready to revolutionize your Amazon business with his winning team of Amazon specialists. At Mari Marketing, we believe in fair pricing that reflects real value. No hidden fees, no BS. Just real transparent results you can count on time and time again. We specialize in A to Z seller account management, full account reinstatement, SEO services, marketing, and branding. Everything you need to succeed on Amazon and beyond. Let's transform your business together. No more overpriced headaches with poor results. Just e-commerce excellence with Mari Marketing on your side. Ready for a change? Visit the Mari Marketing website and schedule a 100% free consultation with Francis. And let Mari Marketing successfully grow your Amazon business today.